Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to jump to a section on Wix. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to create smooth navigation on your website, allowing visitors to quickly skip to specific parts of a page with just one click. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by opening your browser and heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log in to your Wix account using your credentials. After you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to various settings related to your website. From this drop-down, you can preview the website settings you currently have. It's important to take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to add the Jump to Section feature to. This step ensures you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. Now that you've confirmed you're working on the right website, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this button on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. Click on it to proceed. Give it a second to load, as you're about to enter the main editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the customization magic happens. On the left navigation menu, look for the Add Element button and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the building blocks you can use to enhance your website. The Add Element menu will expand, revealing a comprehensive list of all the elements available for you to use and add to customize your website. Scroll through the options until you locate the button element and click on it. You'll see various button styles appear. Select a button design that fits your website's aesthetic. This button will serve as the gateway to jumping into your assigned section. Click and drag your chosen button onto your website canvas, placing it wherever you want it to appear on your page. Once the button is added to your canvas, click on it to select it. You'll notice several options appear, including a link button that looks like a chain. Click on this link button, and a link menu will pop up with different linking options from the options listed in this menu. Click on the section or anchor radio button. This is the key step that enables the jump function. Next, look for the drop-down labeled Which Page and Where on Page. Click on it and carefully select the page where your target section is located, as well as the specific section you wish to jump to when the button is clicked. Take your time here to ensure you're selecting the correct destination. Once you've configured everything properly, click the Done button to save your settings. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Jump to Section button on your Wix website, making navigation smoother and more user-friendly for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.